In this video, I have a hot spring hot tub, and I'm going to help you resolve a common issue on the control panel that has to do with setting the temperature. What I'll be showing you today is you can see when you push the temperature, it says set temp, and then there's some digits here that look like UE2, and then you push up and it's 3, 4, and it's not exactly a temperature. So this is something that causes confusion. So what this indicates is this is actually the temperature that is beyond the maximum numbered setting. If you press down one more time, you'll see that the temperature goes to 104, and then you can continue to lower the temperature. So when you exceed 104, it'll actually go into that set temperature of UE1, 2, 3, 4 as the max. And these are codes that represent values that are higher than 104 degrees. So each UE number is 1 degree higher from what I'm reading online. It's roughly, this UE1 will be 105, 106, 106.5, and then 107. So these are high temperatures that you may want to avoid. So something that you can do is, let's say I want my hot tub to be at 100 degrees, and I only ever wanted to stay at 100 degrees, but I have a lot of guests or visitors that use the hot tub, and sometimes there's little fingers that tippity tap tap on everything. So something you can do to lock the temperature once you've set it. As a reminder, this hot spring hot tub, it doesn't tell you the temperature of the current water. What it does is it tells you the temperature of what it's set to. So this is saying that it's gonna go up to 100 degrees and maintain it at 100. So if I want to actually lock the panel so that people can't mess with the temperature, all I need to do is hold the plus on the lights and the plus on the temperature for 3 seconds straight. 1, 2, 3. And then you see that lock icon popped up in the corner. So now my people who visit, this is currently at an Airbnb, they can't change the temperature, which is helpful because sometimes people will bring it all the way low, and then guests will be upset because the temperature is too low, or people will bring it really hot, and then we'll get complaints because it's too hot. So if I lock it like that, people can still use the jets. There's no issue with the jets. You can still use the lights. I just have the temperature locked. That's a feature that I actually really enjoy because I use this often. It helps prevent a lot of issues. So I hope that was helpful for you. If you run into seeing those odd digits on your display, it can be kind of confusing. It took me a few minutes to figure it out when I first saw it, but I couldn't find any videos online explaining what it was. I had to go to an old blog since this is kind of an older hot tub. So I just wanted to create some content to help explain what that UE-1234 meant. So thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful for you.